On your Windows 10 computer, you can control the sound volume and its properties from the speaker icon found on the notification area. When you click on this icon, you will be able to control the master volume as well as choose the output speaker. To access the volume mixer, you will have to right-click on the speaker icon, then click on the volume mixer setting. Sometimes, though, there are instances when you won't be able to access the volume mixer. In this short video of our troubleshooting series, we will show you how to fix volume mixer won't open issue. But before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting solutions in this video, it's best to restart your computer. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. Here's what you need to do when the volume mixer won't open. First, run an SFC scan. The first thing you will need to do in this case is to run an SFC scan. This will scan for any corrupted system files and restore these files to their working state. First, type command prompt on the search bar, then right-click on the command prompt app and then click on Run as Administrator. A prompt message will appear asking if you want to apply these changes. Click on Yes to confirm. Then, on the command prompt window, type sfc/scan now, then hit the Enter key or click on OK. Your computer will be scanned for any corrupted or missing files. Wait for it to finish scanning. If errors are found, you will get the message Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. After scan is complete and errors have been repaired, then check if the volume mixer not opening issue still occurs. Next, end the sndvol.exe process. The sndvol.exe process is the process that controls the volume mixer. If this process is stuck, then you should end this process. First, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate the sndvol.exe process. Right-click on the sndvol.exe process and click on End Task. Close the Task Manager. Right-click on the speaker icon in the notification area and click on Open Volume Mixer. Check if the volume mixer won't open issue still occurs. Next, restart the Windows Explorer process. A Windows Explorer process that is stuck can usually cause this problem. Restarting this process can usually fix this. First, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate the Windows Explorer process. Right-click on the Windows Explorer process and click on Restart. Try checking if you can now open the volume mixer. Next, check if the Windows Audio service is running. First, press the Windows logo key +R to open the Run dialog. Then type services.msc into the Run dialog and press Enter or click on OK to open the Services Manager. Then, scroll down the list of services and locate the Windows Audio service. Double-click on the Windows Audio service to open its properties. Next, click on the drop-down menu located directly next to Startup Type, and click on Automatic to select it. Next, click Stop to stop the service. Prompt message appears asking if you want to stop these services. Click on Yes to confirm. Then, click on Start to start the service. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Close the Services Manager and check to see if the volume mixer not opening issue still persists. Lastly, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. In case the steps mentioned fails to fix the volume mixer issue, then you should try to run the Hardware and Device Troubleshooter tool. First, at the search bar located at the lower left corner your Windows screen, type in Troubleshooter. Click on the search result titled Troubleshooting Setting. Then at the search bar located at the upper left panel, type in Playing Audio. Then click on Find and Fix Problems with Playing Sound. follow the on-screen instructions to run Troubleshooter. It will detect any problems and provide a possible solution which you should follow. Try to check if the volume mixer will not open issue still occurs. After following the methods mentioned in this video, you have successfully fixed volume mixer won't open issue the quick and easy way. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.